Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to analyze the facial emotions by using one library called FER. So FER is nothing but it is abbreviated as facial emotion recognition. It is available only for the Python programming language. Okay. The concept of this library is it is trained with multiple emotion images with convolutional neural network. So if you don't have any idea about the convolutional neural network, then go and check this video. In this video, I explained very clearly about the convolutional neural network and the mathematics behind each and every layers. Okay, so go and check this video if you want to know about the convolutional neural network. After it get trained with the convolutional neural network, it was released as a Python standalone library by the developers. So this is the story behind this library. So let's see about the functionalities of this library. So the main functionality of this library is emotion recognition. First of all, why emotion recognition is very important? According to me, now we are in the research of robotic era. In the future, many manual works will be replaced by the robots. Understanding the emotions of humans is a very important task for the robots. As a human, we are going to create the robots. At the time, we need to feed the emotions to train a robot. So if we train the emotions data to robots, it will be more effective. And it works like, suppose if you are in the good mode, it will recognize your mindset and it makes some suggestions according to that. Same way, it will analyze your mindset and it will understand you closer than ever. So this is my thought process about the upcoming robotics era. So I just want to know about your opinions in comment section. So please add your comments about the upcoming robotics generation. Okay, so I'm very curious to know your comments. So before starting this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more useful content in Python and data science. Let's get started. I don't want to waste your time on the theoretical part. If you want the theoretical part about the robotics, just check this video. I already uploaded a video for you. If you want to know about the robotics, then check out this playlist. So I divided this video into two parts. So in the first attempt, I'm going to capture the emotions of this particular image. So by looking at the image itself as a human perspective, we can easily say that this image is filled with the surprise emotion. But I want to test the image with this library. So for getting the emotions from the image, we have to use two libraries that are FER and OpenCV. As I said, FER is a pre-trained deep neural network library. And another one is the computer vision library. So you all know about the second one. If you don't know about the OpenCV, I already uploaded a lot of project videos using OpenCV. So go and check that videos to gain more knowledge about the OpenCV. Okay. So after importing these two libraries, you need to create a variable. Here I created a variable called image. And in this variable, you need to put the sample image that you want to test with this library. And then call FER method. So this method will initiate the library that we imported. So the FER model will capture the emotions of the images, and the second one, the OpenCV, is used to read the images. OpenCV functionality is very low compared to the FER. Okay, so you have to understand what these libraries will do in our code. So next you have to call the method called detect emotions from the library, and in this method pass the image variable as a parameter. So this is the entire code to capture the emotions from the image. Let's run this program. You can see that this model shows lot of emotions present in the images. Among all the emotions, the surprise emotion ratio is very high compared to others. So we can easily judge like the person in this image showed his surprise feeling higher compared to other feelings. So this is the model's accuracy, and it is pretty accurate to finding the emotions in an image. So let's test with the video file. For tracking the emotions in the video file, you have to import the video function from the FER module and create one variable. So this variable purpose is very simple. It is used to store the video file name, and in the next step you have to initiate the video method from the FER module. And then create a variable detector, and in this instance, and you should mention the word empty CNN equal to true. So empty CNN is an algorithm that is abbreviated as multitask cascaded convolutional neural network. So by using this algorithm, we are going to analyze the video file. So additionally, here I wrote one more step. So this step will help you to store the emotions data in a CSV file. So it is very easy for us to look back what are the emotions are tracked by this model. Okay, So that's all about the code. Now run this program and let's see what are the emotions this model can track. So now it is finished. Let's check the CSV file. Look at the CSV file. It found lot of emotions in the video file. To check the dominant emotions in this file, just follow my trick from pandas. First, read the CSV file and then type df.sum, and in this method give the parameter like axis equals 0. That means we are grabbing the column from the CSV, and skip NA is equal to true. So we are skipping the NA values. NA values means the null values. Okay, so this line will add all the column values in the CSV file. So by using this code, we can easily find out which emotions are highly dominated in the video data. So just run this code. You can see here the neutral has more values compared to other emotions. We can fix this video contains more neutral emotions. So this is the correct way of using the library and capturing the emotions from image and video file. So in this video I explained only image and video emotion capturing. So one more thing is also there, that is live emotion tracking. So if you want that video means just comment it down. I will post the video by tracking the live emotions using OpenCV. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python and data science. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next week.